With all the great that happened in my life since I started to apply the law of attraction, I had the confirmation that everything is possible.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a Mind Body Spirit video.
Hello everybody, my name is Suyash. You're watching Mind Body Spirit. Today's law of attraction success story is super inspiring. It's one of those success stories which contains multiple intentions and all of them getting manifested in an exact way. So we all love those kinds of success stories. Watch this video till the end. Give this video a like and let's get started with the success story. So today's success story has been sent to me by Andre. Andre has sent it by email. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. The spelling is Andrei. And I have named the success story on behalf of Andre, Many Amazing Manifestations. And Andre writes, Hello Suyash, this is my experience with the law of attraction. I am using the law of attraction since the beginning of 2019. Every single time it worked like a charm. My first manifestation was $100. In brackets he has written, I started small. In the first week after applying the law of attraction, I received the exact amount in my PayPal account from somebody who donated to me. And in bracket he has explained, I had a YouTube channel back then and nobody had donated to me in months, right? So something that had not happened in a long time just happened within a week after he applied the law of attraction for $100. Now the second manifestation. My second manifestation was very different. I wanted so much to move to another country because everything back home was a mess. I could not find a good job, my family needed money to pay an old debt, and so on. I started manifesting and I wanted to go to Luton in UK, and that's because I had been to the UK a couple of times and I heard that Luton is the best city to settle in. It's more safe, and the most important thing was that it's not that expensive like London. After a week, I got a very unexpected phone call from an old friend about whom I knew that he was settled in London. But apparently he moved to Luton recently and he said that he needs a roommate to split the bill, and he also offered me a job opportunity to work as a driver mate with him. It was a shock for me when I realized that I got what I asked for. And then the third manifestation. My third manifestation was about traveling to Miami Beach, USA. I have always liked that city and it's what I have wished for many years. But this time I was set to chase my dream. It's impossible to travel to USA without a visa, and I knew that. I had a few attempts at getting it, but I failed. A lot of people said that I need somebody from inside the country to help me getting the documentations more easily. So my manifestation was about meeting a person from Miami who could help me in getting the visa and the rest of the documents. A few months passed and I was invited to a Christmas party. Friends of friends came to that party, and from talking to them, I met a girl who had flown in from Miami to UK especially to be at that Christmas party. She was from Miami, she had flown in just to attend that party. It's incredible. We got in touch for a couple of days, and when she left UK, she gave me her number and invited me to visit Miami. I did not mention about that the whole time we were talking. I was thinking about it, but never said that I wanted that in front of her. He never mentioned that he was looking for a person from Miami to help him travel to that place. He was thinking that, of course, but he never mentioned it. And she herself, this person herself, said, why don't you visit Miami sometime? Alright, again at the moment of realization, I was shocked for the second time in my entire life. I am still in the process of getting the visa, but this time everything is going how it should. I have a strong feeling that what I have dreamed for many years is about to be a reality, and I know that. And then the fourth manifestation. My last manifestation was about money again. With all the great that happened in my life since I started to apply the law of attraction, I had the confirmation that everything is possible. So, if my first manifestation was $100, last month I added a zero to that and intended for $1,000. In the first week, while I was still applying the law of attraction for it, I got a bonus of almost $2,000 in cash from my workplace. And in bracket he has written, I always manifest money in dollars because I got used to it, but the money came in the currency of the country I am right now. So in that currency, an amount equivalent of almost $2,000 was actually given to him. At this point, I feel like I own the world. I feel like I am the master of my life and I can get and do whatever I want. I want to say that I have always and truly believed in the law of attraction no matter what. I never doubted it. I hope my story encouraged a lot of the viewers who still don't think that the law of attraction is the way to go. Well, I hope so too. Thank you, universe, for everything you gave me, and I hope you do the same with my fellow law of attraction friends. He's, of course, talking about all the viewers. Peace. And that's how he has ended the success story. So, Andre, what an exciting success story. So many intentions, all of them getting manifested exactly. And what I like about this success story is that it has something for everyone. You know, if somebody wants to attract money, Andre is an example. If somebody wants to attract a specific kind of people who can help them with something, this success story is an example. If somebody wants to travel, this success story is an example. So that's why I really like this success story. It's really inspiring. What do you think about the success story? Please let me know down below in the comments. I always love to read your comments. Give this video a like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel Mind Body Spirit, and also press the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And to get the maximum benefit out of these law of attraction success stories, watch a few success stories every day. If possible one, but if possible more success stories every day. And what will happen gradually is that your thought process will change, your belief will increase, and as a result, your perception of how the world functions, your perception of your own abilities will start to change. And then the results that you get with the law of attraction will become faster, they'll become more certain. And to help you do that, right now on your screen will be the link to a playlist containing all videos of this series that I've posted till now. So go ahead right now, watch a few more of these videos, watch these videos every day and notice the difference.